Create long-lasting beauty and pollinator appeal in your landscape with the help of perennials. With a little bit of planning, you can have flowers, foliage, and seed heads that add interest to your garden year-round. Select perennials that thrive in the sunlight, soil, and moisture conditions in your garden. Incorporate several inches of compost or other organic matter into the top 8 to 12 inches of soil to improve the soil so your perennials will be healthy, showy, and long-lived. As you select your plants, consider seasonal foliage and flower color as well as texture. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow make large areas appear smaller, energize the space, and make it feel warmer. Cool colors of blue, green, and violet make small areas feel larger, hot areas seem cooler, and create a sense of tranquility. Large leaves and flowers are bold and create a focal point, while small flowers and narrow leaves create a sense of depth when used in the back of the garden, and they make a nice backdrop for bold textured plants. Maximize beauty in every square inch and extend your plant budget with plants that provide multiple seasons of interest. This short list will help you get started, but trust me, there are many more to consider. These featured plants provide several seasons of beauty and most help attract pollinators to the garden. Start the season with spring flowering bulbs like daffodils, tulips, hyacinths, and squills. Though their blooms are relatively short-lived, these spring beauties are sure to brighten the garden and help chase away the winter blues. Then add some spring, summer, and fall bloomers with great season-long foliage, fall color, or winter interest. Include some ornamental grasses. Their fine foliage is a great addition to the garden, and most come into their full glory in fall. Leave them stand for winter and enjoy the motion and texture they provide. Don't let gardening in the shade stop you from creating season-long beauty. Consider some of these shade lovers that add multiple seasons of beauty to those shady spots in the landscape. Keep your healthy perennials standing in the garden all winter long. Their dried leaves, stems, and seed heads provide winter interest and help attract birds to the garden. You'll enjoy the motion and color the birds and standing perennials add to those drab winter days. So get busy planning and planting your year of perennial beauty.